So have you been wondering which bank in Ghana is the best to save your money in? Have you been wondering which Ghanaian bank cards can easily be used to withdraw your funds from PayPal? Don't worry anymore, stop wondering. I've got all the gist for you in today's video. Stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joel Sam. If this is your first time here, please do me a simple favor, go down and destroy the like button, smash the subscribe button. Please become a member of this family because over here I post a lot of financial tips which will help you become financially free. The goal of this channel is personal finance, financial freedom and self-improvement. As always, we want to help a lot of young people in Africa to become financially free so that they can meet all their targets, goals and aspirations in life. A little secret to do, hitting the subscribe button and leaving a like on this channel helps the YouTube algorithm put the video in front of more people who may need content like this. I know that a lot of you have benefited immensely from my content and it won't be bad to help others to benefit from it. So smash the like button, destroy the subscribe button and become part of this amazing family. In today's video, we want to talk about banks in Ghana and cards in Ghana. And this has become very necessary because a lot of people are migrating onto online business or online trade and they need platforms that can help them easily access their money and facilitate some of these transactions. So the two banks I'm going to be talking about today are Stanbic Bank Ghana and UBA Ghana. These banks have blown me away, not only by the packages they offer but by their quality of service and for everything Stanbic or UBA. So I would actually begin with Stanbic and after that we'll move on to UBA. So Stanbic Bank Ghana is a South African based bank that has so many branches all over Ghana and indeed all over the African continent. My first encounter with Stanbic was about 6 years ago where I was looking to open a new account to save with. I had visited the mall because there were a list of banks there. There was EcoBank, there was Stanbic and there were some few others. But my heart was set on EcoBank because I had read so much about them and they touted themselves to be the Pan-African bank. So I was excited to open an account with EcoBank. I walked into EcoBank and I was a bit disappointed because I had to come with a letter of introduction. I had to produce some documents and go through some processes which were a bit rigorous and at that time very unnecessary for me. So I needed to open the account right away. I was in a hurry. I looked at Stanbic, I looked at the others there. Stanbic looked cool, it looked fancy, it looked like a good bank. So I walked in and my first impressions, I was blown away. Stanbic was a world-class bank and I was treated with respect despite the fact that I was a very young guy coming in wanting to open a savings account. So I spoke to the customer service, to the inquiry desk, and I was given all the information I needed. They told me I could open an account right away and they were willing to give me every assistance I needed. I was so happy, very happy. But of course, you cannot stand on my experience alone to believe that Stanbic is the best. So I'm coming to give you reasons why I believe Stanbic is, if not the best, one of the best banks in this country. So the first thing I believe makes Stanbic Bank one of the best banks in Ghana is their A-class customer service. With Stanbic, you can call at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week and receive help and assistance. There have been times I've called at 1 a.m., times I've called at 3 a.m. and I've received all the help I needed, all the clarifications, all the inquiries I made. A lot of assistance. It's been mind-blowing. And not only with their helpline, but even in their banking halls, anytime you approach someone to make inquiries, the person is particularly helpful. Okay, the person has a genuine willingness to listen to you and help you out of whatever problem you find yourself in or furnish you with whatever information you may need. The second reason I believe Stanbic is one of the best in Ghana is the ease of doing business. With Stanbic Ghana, you don't have to always go to your branch so as to do business. You can conduct business from any branch in the country, okay, whether it's a new Visa card you need, whether it's a new account you need to open, whether it's a transfer you need to make, you can do it from any branch in the country and this is very, very convenient. The third thing I like about Stanbic Ghana is that they have a stock brokerage which is very respected and very renowned across the country and across the continent. With their stock brokerage, you can easily trade in stocks in the Ghanaian stock market, I think in other stock markets as well, and it's generally a very pleasant pleasant experience. There are so many reviews on the internet about Stanbic's stock brokerage, and only good things are being said. The fourth thing I like about Stanbic Ghana is that they are the only bank in the country that offers credit cards to their customers. I don't know if you know what a credit card is, but generally the idea of a credit card is that you are able to make purchases on credit and then pay back later. And these credit cards are available to all Stanbic customers within a certain income bracket. It's amazing. It's a good package. It helps people plan well and spend in a way that is very convenient for them. Altogether, it is an amazing package because it offers ease and convenience in making purchases, especially in those moments when you really need to purchase something but you don't have the funds on you. The final reason I love Stanbic Ghana is their Visa cards. Stanbic Visa cards are one of the best in the country. You can use them for any purchase online, you can use them on any ATM, and they are quite easy to work with. In fact, when I opened my PayPal account for the first time, it was my Stanbic Visa card I was successfully able to link with my account and withdraw my funds for over a year. I had no issues with it and it worked perfectly. So Stanbic is an amazing bank. I just want to say that no one has asked me to do this video. They haven't contacted me. I'm just making this video in appreciation for the A-class services I have received over the past 6 years. I am very grateful to them, especially their customer service agents who are willing to talk to me and help me. Sometimes when I call at 12 a.m., 3 a.m., willing and very able to help me. I thank them so much and I'm truly grateful for their service. Now let's move on to the next bank, which is the United Bank for Africa, UBA. UBA is a Nigerian-based bank with branches all over Ghana and all over the African continent. Additionally, UBA is listed on stock exchanges around the globe, and so it's quite a solid bank. It's not going anywhere. They have chalked enormous success over the years and they still stand as one of the best banks in Africa. The first reason I love UBA is the AfriCard. Now, the AfriCard is an international card you can use anywhere in Africa. And the good thing about that card is that you don't need to have an account with UBA. You can easily obtain the card as an outsider and use it for all your needs. With the UBA AfriCard, you can easily link and verify your PayPal account and withdraw your funds without any problems. In fact, when I needed a new card for my second PayPal account, I visited the UBA branch and I got the AfriCard. Then second, I was able to link it with my PayPal and I have been able to withdraw my first set of funds successfully. So the AfriCard is definitely something you should get. And so the second reason I love UBA is the fact that they have an A-class customer service. In fact, when I went to UBA for my AfriCard, that was actually the only reason I went there. But looking around, seeing the quality of service I was being offered and the amazing packages UBA generally has to offer, I just had to open an account. I had them open me a savings account and now I am a proud member and customer of the United Bank for Africa. The customer service was incredibly helpful, incredibly nice. They respected me even though I'm a very young person, and they were genuinely interested in how they could help me make more money and make the best of the opportunities UBA has to offer. With a UBA savings account, you earn 3% per annum interest on your deposit every single month. There are no maintenance fees on the account, no fees at all. It is a free account. Just like Stanbic, there is nothing you have to pay for keeping your money in the savings account. The third reason I love UBA, which is similar to the reason I love Stanbic, is that it is an international African bank. It has firm roots in so many African countries and indeed across the world. As I said earlier, the United Bank for Africa is listed on so many stock exchanges. Stanbic Bank itself is a very credible bank with years of experience, and so these are banks which are not collapsing anytime soon and they are going to be there for a very long time. I know that when it comes to the issue of saving with a bank, a lot of people panic because just 2 years to a year ago, we had so many banks folding up in Ghana. A lot of depositors lost money and lost their savings. It was a very, very bad situation. But these are banks you can trust. They've been around for a very long time. They will continue to be around for a very long time. And they are very profitable banks to bank with. So generally, these are the reasons I love the United Bank for Africa, their AfriCard, their customer service, and the amazing packages they offer. Let me also mention that with a UBA savings account, you can easily link your mobile money account and make transfers to and from your UBA into your mobile money account smoothly without paying a dime in transferal fees. It's a win-win situation for you, so it's an opportunity you should definitely grab. These are the reasons I love UBA. These are the reasons I love Stanbic Ghana, and I encourage you to join these banks if you are looking for a very good bank to bank with, and if you are looking for good cards that you can easily use for your online businesses. Of course, these are suggestions. I'm no financial advisor. I'm only offering my opinion. So make sure that if you need professional advice on who to bank with or which cards you can use, you talk to someone who is more experienced in the field. So before we end the video, I just want to say thank you so much to Withdrawal. They kind of not sponsored this video but gave the encouragement for this video. So the video was proudly brought to you by Withdrawal. Withdrawal is a Ghanaian apparel startup that was founded by Ekome Jojo and Kelvin Fifineza. Both of them are avid viewers of this channel. With Withdrawal, the idea is to clothe young people in such a way that they are always poised to attain success. You can contact Withdrawal by dialing any of the numbers that show up on your screen or mailing them at any of the email addresses that show up on your screen. Withdrawal will never ever disappoint you. Okay guys, so finally, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. I did. I actually was happy to share this because I know it's going to be very useful to some people out there. And well, I'll see you again in my next video. Peace.